Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here on the 2009 channel. Now today, I'm just going to be showing you guys this little steampunk airship that I built. If you guys want a tutorial on this, please make sure to tell me in the tell me in the comments if you want a tutorial on this. This took maybe. So, I think this is a really cool. This is, I designed this just about a day ago. And I'm thinking of using it in a future base, in a future survival world. But if you guys want to see a tutorial on this, please make sure to tell me. So, yeah, as you can see, it's a little steampunk airship. I'm thinking of building a much bigger one, but I really like how this looks. I really like how the shape that I've been able to get with this, and I think it looks really nice to walk around and fly around this. As you can see, we have the two little engines here, the two engines for it. So we have an engine here and an engine on the other side. And these are supposed to be propellers, and these are supposed to be kind of where the exhaust is coming out, or where the steam is coming out, I guess, or just exhaust. So yeah, I hope you guys so once again, if you guys want to see a tutorial on this, I will do one. I would gladly do a tutorial on this, but I don't know if you guys want one or not. So if you guys do want a tutorial on this, please make sure to tell me, and I can get that ready and sorted out. Also, I'm sorry for not posting a video in a very long time, but I've had a lot of stuff that I've needed to work on, so yeah. But yeah, this is the airship. So yeah, I'll see all you guys in the next video, which will hopefully be a tutorial on this. Bye!